In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left over here, click on Create, and then you want to find the sales receipt over here in the middle where it says Customers in the first column. So you want to click on Sales Receipt, and there we go. Here you basically have to select the customer first. So just select and click on the customer, then type in their email, address, stuff like that. And here you want to select if you want to record or charge. So click on either of these, select your receipt date, your reference number, your payment method over here, and then where you want to deposit your funds. For example, I'm gonna go to this checking one over here. Then you have additional fields where you can basically put in your location of sale, and down here is where you put in your product and service. Okay, so you can just go ahead and select the items you sold, and of course you can also enter in the quantity and rate and amount, of course, whenever that's necessary. So I'm gonna go design over here. I have some presets already made. For example, I'm gonna go with a rate of 20 over here. You can change it, of course. You could go and click on pretty much anything, and that way you'll be able to essentially build your sales receipt and enter it. Then you have your messages. Of course, you can display them on statements, stuff like that, and then you can add attachments if you want to. Here you can of course give discounts and essentially see the total taxable, and here you have like the totals. Then click on record and close, just record, or of course you can then record and create a new one, or record and send it. That's how to enter a sales receipt. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.